Hey, yo, what's up everybody? This is Yui and we're back with another video, and today we have a neat strategy for you on OTC market, and it is super simple. You're only going to need one indicator to trade with it, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. The indicator you're gonna need is a Vortex indicator. So now let's look for the entry, and actually here's a great entry. As you can see, the market is currently in a downtrend. The green line on the Vortex indicator represents the positive price movement, and the red one represents the negative price movement. So what we're looking at, since the market is in the downtrend, we're looking at the green line. We're looking for the positive price movement, and since it reached its lowest peak, we know that the price is going to reverse, and that's why we entered a 3-minute long position. I advise to trade with 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. Perfectly, you would probably trade with 1 minute, but I entered 3 minutes just to show you that as easily you can trade with 3 minutes or 2 minutes. So now, without further ado, let's keep ahead and see if we manage to secure this win. Let's go. And there it is. We are getting our first win of the day with the simple strategy. Now let's proceed and look for more entries, and I'll continue explaining this strategy. Let's go. And here we have another entry. We're entering a 1 minute long position. As you can see, we're once again in a short-term downtrend, and the positive price movement has reached its lowest peak, so we are taking a 1 minute long position because of that. The strategy is very simple. As always, if the price action, if the market is currently in an uptrend, then you're going to be looking at the red line on the Vortex indicator and waiting for it to touch the top line of the Vortex indicator, and then you're going to enter a 1 minute short position. And the same works for the opposite. If the market is in the downtrend and the green line touched the bottom line of the Vortex indicator, you're going to be entering a 1 minute long position. This is important to remember, since sometimes both of the lines are touching the top and the bottom levels respectively, so you have to look at the trend of the market. And here we secure our money, our win. And guys, once again, I want to remind you to join our free signals group. It is available for free right now, so you can go ahead and join it right now. You don't have to pay anything, and you'll get access to a lot of information, to giveaways. You can win $100 and put them towards trading. You can find the link to this group in the description below to this video. So go ahead, join us, stop waiting. All of this is free. All of this information is available to you right now. You can see people are winning, and of course you can participate in the free signals that are given out every day by Neos when there's a trading session. And if you want your trading performance to look like this, you can see 95% success rate. We made 24,000 in 5 days. So if you want to quickly build up your balance and start making money right off the bat, join our free signals group, and of course the private trading group, because this is where the majority of money comes from, because we have the trading sessions in this group. They're full-blown trading sessions, because in free signals group you're gonna get 2 to 3 signals a day when there's a trading session going on in this group, but this group has actual trading sessions that last for an entire hour, and you will be able to just trade with us for an entire hour and make money alongside Neos, because all of the signals are given out by Neos. And also we have the giveaways in this group. And one more thing, we have a lot of stuff coming to this group very soon. We're gonna have a technical analysis video for you guys, so make sure to join. The spots are limited, so there's a little time left for you to join this group. Now let's get back into the strategy and see how far we can go. Let's go. And once again, look at this, a massive downtrend, and we are entering a 1 minute long position because you can see that both of the lines of Vortex are touching the bottom and top level, but because the market is in downtrend, we are taking a 1 minute long position and we're only looking at the green line because obviously the asset is going to be oversold and the price is going to reverse in the opposite direction, and that is exactly what is happening right before your very eyes. And now we're just gonna wait for another 30 seconds and pretty comfortably secure our $460. This is very simple strategy. If you're just getting into trading, try to trade with something very simple while you're learning, while you're in our group and reading the information, just digesting all of the information that there is to trading, because you don't want to get into complicated thing off the bat. You want to increase the difficulty gradually, and this strategy is a good entry to understand how the market works. And there it is, we secure another win. And now let's not stop while the strategy is working. Let's proceed and see if we can get more wins. Let's go. And once again, another beautiful entry. As you can see, the green line is touching the bottom level of Vortex indicator, so we are entering a 1 minute long position, and you can see that the market is in downtrend, so the price reversal is bound to happen. Now let's continue, let's skip ahead to the end of this option and see whether we secured it or not. Let's go. Boom, another entry, another win. Look how fast we're actually finding the entry points, and we're able to just absolutely destroy the market and make so much money with just a few minutes of our time. Let's see, let's continue looking. You want to find a perfect entry, so let's continue and see whether we can find something decent. This could be a pretty decent entry, however, I think I'm a little bit late there. So let's continue and see if we can find a decent entry. And actually here it is, but I am entering a 1 minute long position. I know you guys are a little bit confused because everything kind of tells that we should be entering a short position. However, if you look at the red line and the green line, they switched places, and we must have the red line at the top of the Vortex indicator if we want to enter a short position. And in this case, we had the Vortex indicator, the negative price movement being at the top, which means that they're at the bottom, which means there's almost no movement of the negative price. So we are taking a 1 minute long position instead of a short position, and as you can see, it actually works out in our favor, and we are going to secure another $460. God, I love trading OTC. 92% payout all across the board, so every $500 we are getting basically another 500 on top of it. Okay, there it is. And let's proceed. And actually here is another entry, but here everything is correct in the correct order, and we are entering a 1 minute long position. Let's proceed to the end of this option and see whether we were able to secure it. Let's go. This is super close, and I don't know, it might go both ways. And what do we get? We get a loss or a win, and we actually secure a win here. So you can see the strategy is down to the wire. As you can see how many wins we got. We had 6 entries, and all 6 of those actually went through, and we secured a lot of money. That should be a little bit over $3,000 actually. Yeah, I think it's like 2.9k, somewhere around that area. So guys, as you can see, this strategy is pretty decent, and give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments. Once again, reminding you to join our free signals group. You can find the link in the description below, and join our private trading group. You can do that by sending Neos a message and asking him for a spot, because the spots are limited. So go ahead, do that, grab yourself a robot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.